Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code on a Windows operating system. So for that, first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here Visual Studio Code download. So simply go to the first link. This link I am going to provide right on our video description. Once when you are here, you will see that our Visual Studio is available for Windows, Linux and macOS. We are going to download it for Windows, so I am going to click on this download button for Windows and it's going to show you thank you for downloading VS Code, and here is our VS Code. Right, we started downloading. Once downloaded, just simply click on that installer. This is our license agreement, you must accept it and click on next. So this is where our Visual Studio Code is going to be installed, which is totally fine. Click on next. It's going to create a Visual Studio Code folder, totally fine. Click on next again and to check all these 4 options and click on next and hit install. That's going to start installing your Visual Studio Code. You can minimize your browser and wait for a couple of minutes over here, and there you go. You can see that our Visual Studio Code is rightly installed. Desktop shortcut also created over here. So simply click on finish. That's going to launch our Visual Studio Code. And our Visual Studio Code is rightly opened over here. So this is the latest version. You can close this release note and you can also close this welcome note as well. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this open folder and I'm going to name a folder as HTML and I'm going to open that folder. Here to click on I trust the authors and you click on plus icon over here and type index.html, and here just simply type HTML and just click on this HTML:5, hit enter, and that's going to give you a boilerplate. So here within h1 tag, if you write hello world and save this file and just simply right click on this file and click on reveal in file explorer and just double click on that file, it's going to show you the output to your browser. So that's how you install Visual Studio Code and can start working on your projects. On my previous videos I have showed you more about HTML, so I'll open that project. So this is the project that I was talking about, so select that folder. I trust the authors and all, you can click. So this is the project that I was talking about. So in detail I have showed you how you can create this type of project. So let's run this project. Now we'll click on that file and you can see this beautiful gift it's going to show you first. So as you click on that, it's going to show you a beautiful cake. Make a wish and tap to cut and it will be a cake cutting ceremony, and after that, happy birthday Aditi. So I created this website for my girlfriend. You can also create this similar type of websites. So all that I have showed you on my previous video. So do check that video, that will help you to learn more about HTML and how to deploy this type of projects, how to use Visual Studio Code for editing. All that you will be able to know. So that's how you install Visual Studio Code. Please do subscribe our channel and join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.